Rob from HopZine.com. Thanks for joining me for another video beer review. This time we're looking at a bottle of Rouge Wave from Cromarty Brewing. It is a 5.7% ABV, as it says on the label, explicitly hopped extra pale ale. Picked this up online from Ale Cellar. I've had a couple from Cromarty so far and I've been impressed. Very good, very solid beers of numerous styles really. I mean, I think they're doing a really nice job up there. Branding really nicely done. Stands out, especially the pump clips they've got there. Well, from the ones I've seen, I don't know if the actual ones, but they kind of use the branding. So that kind of bit there on the top of the label, that's similar, pretty much their pump clip. Anyway, beer in glass. It's a hazy, pale yellow, good amount of carbonation, pure white froth of the head. Let's check out the aroma. Yeah, melon, lime, lemon, lychee, gooseberry, it's all that kind of pale, acidic, but partially acidic, but quite kind of nice and soft. Lovely smelling beer actually. If it wasn't the depths of winter and snowing outside, it'd be a perfect summer sipper, I would imagine this, just from that aroma. Lovely. Anyway, let's dive in. Cheers. Lovely. Really nice. Starts really clean, crisp, fresh, biscuity malt. Once again, melon, like honeydew melon, growing to a slightly floral, grapefruit, lime, lemon zest, definitely lemon zest. Definitely, yeah, that melon definitely without a doubt. Ending quite close, crisp, clean, floral once again, with more of a grapefruit juice and lemon zest again. Quite a simple beer. Deserves to be served quite cool, like I've got it. But yeah, perfect for summer sipping. Quaffable. Not even any impression of that 5.7% ABV. A lovely lingering bitterness as well. It's not going to last very long in the bottle. Oh, it's got a lot of sediment. I have to wait for all that to pack down again. That's the main drawback. I've got to use a glass this size. Got a bottle with a load of loose sediment now. Anyway, that's the only drawback. Pack that yeast down. Anyway, so it's a bottle of Rouge Wave from Cromarty Brewing. 5.7% explicitly hopped extra pale ale. Nice work. Anyway, I'm Rob from HopZine.com. See you next time. Cheers.